Thanks for giving me an opportunity to present our company, Avantri Prarara Leathers. This company has been set up 25 years back, and we have been working in India and abroad. India, we moved into year 2013 and started work of art, leather manufacturing, and started working towards sustainable and biodegradable leathers. Today we are one of the top producers of sustainable and biodegradable leathers in the country and work with major brands all over the world. 40% of our production today is in the sustainable and biodegradable leathers. The aim of our company is not only to meet and cater to the demands of the top brands worldwide, but also to take care of the environment. We have state-of-art environment plant, which is stand-alone of its type, one of the few in the country, which has zero discharge of water into and whatever water is given back to the Mother Earth is of high value, and most of the water after treatment is used in our own company. We also convert most of our waste into chemicals, and these are being used for low-end products like splits and all that. We have a vision to be the world-class manufacturer of finished leather from India, which is sustainable and which is biodegradable. Mission is to produce these leathers and to be in the business, but at the same time to take care of all our stakeholders. We have Italian designers who help us in the display of leathers which you have seen just now is for the fall winter 22-23. 40% of this production is sustainable leathers from sheep and goat. This has been made with the support of the Italian designers. Leathers can be used for children's shoes, men's shoes and ladies' shoes. Stay safe, stay healthy, and the best of luck.
As explained by Mr. Kaul, we work with Italian stylish and design teams for the fall-winter 22-23 collections, and they come out with concepts, themes and the mood boards. For the fall-winter 22-23 collections, there are 4 mood boards which are involved. One is Oniric Dream, Rethink, Revolex and Rerooted. Let we go into the mood boards in detail. The first concept is Oniric Dream. Here we discuss about spongy suede, sensitive and soft, enveloping, matte and wavy. Here this talks about very lightweight leathers. We will discuss in detail when we are reviewing the articles one by one. The next concept is Rerooted. This is one of the major concepts for the fall winter 22-23. The key points are vegetable fibers, burnt items, biodegradable, recycled waste, wet and the mood touch actually. We have many articles developed into the concepts because these are more sustainable leathers. We will see on these articles when we are reviewing the articles. The third concept is Revolex. Here we will speak about transparent leathers, sparkling leathers, gold and wood kind of items. The last concept is Rethink. Here we speak about weather strong, granulated and recolored. Weather strong, these are basically waterproof leathers in goat and sheep, and we do some buffalo items. So these concepts will come into a major play for this particular mood board. Okay. After the mood boards, in each of the mood boards, the design team has suggested 9 colors in each of the mood boards. On Oniric, Rerooted, Revolex and Rethink. You can see all the colors in this one. Out of this, we have taken major 8 key colors in the total fall winter 22-23 collections. You can see on the 8 key colors for the fall winter 22-23. Now, as we have seen the mood boards, concepts and themes, we have categorized the articles into 4 major categories. One is cool classics, ephemeral casuals and sustainable leathers. In sustainable leathers, we developed a new concept called olive tannage. Then we have existing chrome free and metal free concepts. The last one is biodegradable and little bit of lightweight leathers. This all 4 contributes to the sustainable leathers. We will see each category one by one during the presentation. The first concept is Cool Classics. You can see around 8 to 9 articles we have kept in the concept. We will go through these articles one by one in detail. In the Cool Classics, the first article is suedes, that is in the kids suede like Etna suede, Queen suede, chrome free suede, metal free suede and waterproof suede. So we have a complete range. We can do it in the complete colors. You can have a look on these colors. The second article is silk suede or jumbo silk. These are suedes made from the sheep based leathers. You can see the nap will be very fine. These are in bigger skins available and more brilliant and vibrant colors available. The next article what we are going to see is Mexican Kid Natural. These are soft semi-gloss articles which are very good for the classic constructions. The next article is Genevera. The fineness of the grain and a little two-tone character will help to give an elegant look on the shoes for the classic lady shoes. The next article is Clear Kid. This is absolutely a very classic and elegant pump women's shoes which gives a special character to the classy look. Morbido. This is a super soft material which is good for stitch and turn shoes in goat base. It is super soft and have a kind of natural shine to it. It's good for classic shoes. The next article is Capras Malta. This is basically a light shrunken grain with a very high shine look, good for classic pump shoes and for dressier shoes. The colors come out brilliant, even the darker colors and also the brighter colors. You can see the color range and this. The next article is Emily Napa. This is one of the very old article for us, but we have given it with a new touch and look to it. The colors come out very nice and it is very good for stitch and turn shoes. It is very good soft material. The last article what we are going to see in the Cool Classics theme is Jericho. This is a sheep based article. You can see it will have a very strong reactivity onto the leather and it is good for classic shoes. As we speak about the sustainable collection, the first category is the olive tannage. Olive tannages are completely green and biodegradable leathers. What do you mean by olive tannages and where it is coming from? Olive tannages are the tanning material which are extracted from Mediterranean olive trees. And in normal other tannages, conventional tannages, they contain a certain amount of chemicals which are allergic to the skins. And this olive tannage is completely free from skin allergies and it is rated accordingly. The next point is olive tannages are rated as gold certificate cradle to cradle sustainable collections and these are completely biodegradable leathers. The two mechanisms in olive tannages are covalent cross-linking of amino groups and the next one is hydrogen bond of collagen backbones. This is how the process works and as I mentioned this is completely biodegradable and completely green product. We have developed a couple of articles in this. We can go through it. Olive tannages. Here we have developed two articles. One is a suede and one is a Napa category. In the suede you can see we have developed it is olive Helena. You can see all the bright colors and every article with a fine nap to it. This is olive Sonata. This is a olive tannage Napa. It can be used for any casual and also for classic construction. As I mentioned, these are completely biodegradable articles, go green leathers. The next category what we are going to see are the eco-friendly leathers. Here we have two categories, chrome-free leathers and metal-free leathers. What are the advantage of chrome-free and metal-free leathers? These are non-carcinogenic, so hence and less chrome, zero chromium. Hence they can be used completely for the children's shoes. During the process, they have a very shorter process lead time and also the water consumption is less by 40% when compared to the other products. So hence the effluent coming out of this process is around 30 to 40%. TDS is less when compared to the normal process. We will walk down through the articles in this category. This is chrome-free Lua. This is classic touch with a very comfort, soft hand feel, good for the women's shoes. Vera, it is classic metal-free Napa. It's good for classical shoes as a good sustainable leather. Monte, this is once again a metal-free Napa with a casual construction, good for the women's shoes and also for the kids. It's Parka. metal-free goat leather with a pebble grind with a natural shine, good for go green and sustainable collection. Malta, this is with a very slight tumble grind with a shiny look to it, which is good for the classic shoes. It's once again a go green and sustainable leather collection, metal-free article. The next category what we are going to see are the biodegradable leathers. What is biodegradable leathers? Here what we do is, it is an updated version of completely vegetable tan leathers with using minimum amount of chemicals for making the final products. Here, since very less chemicals are used, the leather takes around 5 to 6 months for a completely biodegradable when we put the final product into the soil or land actually. We have developed many casual articles in this category and the collections are very beautiful in this one. Here we have around 7 to 8 articles in goat and 3-4 articles in the sheep. The first article is Madrid. This is a vintage leather with a very slight oily effect to it, which gives a very good wet feel and it's good for semi-dress shoes. Amarakit, soft, natural, vintage goat, good for daily shoe wear. It's Calio. This is a very high oily and wax content leather. It is very good for complete casual construction, for booties. It gives a special grain construction which is good for women casual shoes and also men's shoes. Cano, this is rugged look tumble wash leather which is good for a kind of casual constructions, good for boots and booties. The next article in biodegradable is Texas. This is from the old collections what we have. However, this is a very good article for all the casual shoes, good for men's and women's shoes. Poncho, this is an oily suede. It's very good for a casual construction. It can be used for a semi-casual and semi-dress shoes. It can be used for booties and long boots. You can have it a light burnishable tee in the toe and the wrap portion which gives a greater look for the shoes. The next article in biodegradable collection is Cyrus. This is basically a sheep burnish. It can be good for ladies and also for the men's shoes. It has a very good reactivity. The grain is similar to the calf grain at a very commercial price on it. Jupiter, this is a commercial tumble wash leather, even with an area shrinkage of 20 to 25% or even up to 30%. We put it a price bucket in a commercial price range. It's good for boots, booties and also for long boots. It's one of the good biodegradable article. The last article in biodegradable collection what we are going to see are Pop Crunch and Vertical Crunch. These are full wedge leathers. You can see the crunch effect. It makes a very good shoes for the casual shoes. This is the Pop Crunch. The next one is a Vertical Crunch. You can see the Vertical Crunch directions here. The next category what we are going to see are ethereal casuals. Here we have some articles which are in a very lightweight leathers and the casual structures which goes along with that. The first article is Trapper. Basically this is a super soft goat which will have a texture, slight embossed to it, but it is super soft. It's good for a casual construction. The next article what we are going to see is deer goat and deer sheep. Here basically only the difference in the raw material. In the goat we can go up to sizes 4 to 7. In the sheep we can go up to sizes 6 to 9. This is basically a super soft material which can be clearly good as a replacement of cow material for a long boots and booties, etc. The next article is Alpine. This is also basically a super soft material. It can be used as a kind of casual for a classic rangers, for a long boots and also for the booties. Burro suede. This is super cool leather with a light casual construction for a suede with a slightly bushy nap. Can be good for a kind of casual constructions. Akia Nubuck. This is soft and rich velvet hand feel which can be good for any single shoes or with a combination shoes. It gives an elegant look for a tactile appearance. Roxy. This is a commercial goat article with a tumble grain. Very good for a kind of casual construction. It is priced around like 165 to 175 on that range. It's Stromboli. This is grainy and metallic effect which gives a very inspirational for a new collection and new category of materials. Crepito. This is an interesting collection to the fall theme. This is more aroma and high-end fashion shoes. The next article what we are going to see is gold dust. These are metallic leathers in a vegetable based leather with a strong wedge character to it. It can be great construction for the women's casual shoes. The last couple of articles in biodegradable collections are Merrell, Crocus and snake prints. You can see it's a hand tamponated wash leather. It can be great article for shoes and also for handbags. It gives a used look on the shoes. Merrell Psychos, similar to Crocus, these are also hand washed tamponated leather. It gives a used look on the shoes and also for handbags. The last set of articles what we are going to see are prints and fantasies. These are perfectly the kind of exotic animal prints, new kind of foils, new kind of prints what we think it's going to come for the trend in the fall winter 22-22 collections. The next what we are going to see are prints and fantasies collections. The first article is, it's a classic foil with a iridescent foil effect where you can see a rainbow effect with a multiple tones. These are the colors available on this. The next are animal prints foils. There are 3 articles in this. One is Leo Mix, Python and Croco Iris. The next articles are distress foil and antique suede. This gives a distress looks and antique effect of foils on the suede based leathers. There are 3 more articles which are developed from the black suede bases with a different prints and the embossed looks. A couple of more articles with a very high-end fashion of Italian foils, blossom and bamboo. Various designs of florals in a fall winter 22-23 collections. Some of the designs like this. As one of the prints and concepts, these are the key prints which are going to come in the fall winter 22 and these are forecasted for spring summer 22 as well. The print chevron print. Couple of other prints like taboo and diamond prints. These are very unique collections in 22-23 collections. Hi guys, thanks for taking your valuable time for reviewing Avanti Prara and Sunshine Fall Winter 22-23 collections. This time we have put a lot of effort in developing sustainable articles as we have seen from our presentation. Apart from this, we have priced our article more in the competitive pricing, but in parallel, in the strong coordination, the trends and the fashion which are coming into the season. If you have any further queries, you can directly get in touch with your material team, Mr. Sandro and Silvio, and we will be pleased to revert back to you. Thank you very much. Stay safe.